to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA-250 AMG Sport Pack. This is, of course, the beautiful black, obsidian black, and lots of trunk room in there and the fold-down rear seats. Underneath this little cover here is a wealth of storage space, as well as your tire blow-up or repair kit. And then over here you've got your first aid kit and wheel locks in a nice little cargo net, and a little handle right here to close the trunk like so. There it is from the back. Great looking car. Dual exhaust at the back with those rectangular ports. Looks awesome. It's got the AMG Sport Pack with the 5-spoke AMG wheels and brakes. It's got the side skirts, which I'll show you better when the doors are closed. Nice looking interior. That is gorgeous, isn't it? Wow, just beautiful. The seats, of course, fold down easily. There's one folded down so that you could see that folds flat. It does it easily, and then it folds back up easily. Nice fold down armrest, a ginormous panoramic sunroof there as well. And then the doors are frameless. So nice frameless doors like a CLS. So that's what this is modeled after, is that beautiful CLS design. Here is your passenger seat, which comes with fully functional power seat and memory for the passenger as well as the driver. The floor mats are beautiful, aren't they, with those nice little piping around it. Here are the books, so lots to read about. You'll never have a concern of how to work something. Have a look in the door frames. It is just beautiful. There's your cup holders in the doors and that nice frameless door, so the coupe style door. Beautiful. And the skirts down, the side skirts down there for the sport design. There's your AMG wheel there, no curb rash, no issues. Pirelli tires, cross-drilled rotors, just beautiful. Under the hood, that is the 2-liter twin-turbo 4-cylinder 208 horsepower engine, made it to a 7-speed automatic transmission. Don't fool yourself, this thing will really fly. Let me close the hood here, but super clean underneath. This is a really well-loved car. You can just see it everywhere you look. It is just stunningly beautiful, even under the hood. So close that and have a look there. Couple of little stone chips, nothing major, going to happen when you drive a car down the road. Great looking grille, that Mercedes 5-star, 3-star right there, I should say. Beautiful. It's got the lower air dam, which is part of the AMG pack, and then the AMG wheels. So you'll see AMG right there, and Pirelli tires, cross-drilled rotors, great brakes, great tires, good looking machine. There's the same thing on the back. In this back seat again, notice the little ambient lighting underneath the headrests is in the front and in the back. That's a nice little touch. Beautiful. Gorgeous with that two-tone interior. There's your power seat with the memory for the driver as well as the passenger. Power door locks, power mirrors, power folding mirrors, as well as power windows, and that's your power trunk down there. So you've got lumbar support on the seat, and the condition, outstanding. Don't you agree? Just beautiful. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Perfect. Very nice. So, factory navigation, panoramic roof. Let's just make that roof do some things. There it goes into up mode and back mode, and close that, make sure you're working well. That's awesome. And then the screen also is working. Closes up nicely. And then we'll open the screen. So nice wood grain on the dash, factory navigation right there. Here you can see the optional assistance graphic, ESP, distance warning, and attention assist. So those are the options that it has there. There's your audio, your factory navigation is with it, and there's the kilometers, just 41,875. So you've got paddle shifters on this one, plus and minus over there. You've got control for your phone right there and your volume, and then over here that obviously controls that dash that I was just showing you, and there are your intermittent wipers with rain sense as well. Fully automatic headlamps, so we've got them set to automatic, and then we've got fog lamps as well. And over here we've got the stereo system, and down here are our automatic air conditioning dual zone, so each person can select their own temperature. Under here, certainly not a cigarette lighter, but a cell phone plug-in and what was an ashtray in years gone by, and then a cup holder in there and 2 more cup holders there. This is your command center here, so this works the navigation as you see up here. It works that screen, so all that changes. Then you can put your audio up on that same screen or change it to phone, video system, etc. So beautiful. And change all your settings right there. So good little system hooked up there. Underneath in here, you've got your line in down here and your USB down on the bottom, so you can plug in your phone. Nice armrest to get comfortable with. Beautiful black headliner on it, which is a really nice feature, with the light colored seats to keep you nice and cool. So really like the design of this car, love the look, it's awesome. It's got the nice sport steering wheel with the brushed aluminum, which really looks awesome. Beautiful. So a subtle tint on the windows gives it a really good look. You can see up there at the front, we've got our fog lights on and headlights on, so we can see everything. It's got the air dam below and the side skirts there, as we mentioned earlier. And fabulous paint. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Gorgeous paint. No dents or scratches. A little bit of scuff maybe at the back there from getting a bag in or out, but nothing major at all, just superficial. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA250 with an AMG pack, luxury pack, navigation, 40K. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.